Most people get this wrong, and it costs them hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. They leave their money sitting in a regular bank account earning almost nothing, while inflation quietly eats away at it. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your savings account might be the weakest part of your entire financial setup. In this video, you are going to discover the 7 best high-yield savings accounts in the USA for 2026. You will learn which banks actually pay you the highest interest, which ones are safest, which ones have hidden fees, and which accounts you should avoid completely. By the end, you will know exactly where to park your emergency fund so your money grows instead of shrinking. And here's the best part. You don't need any financial experience. Even if you are completely new to banking or investing, this will make perfect sense. Now let's get straight into it. Before we jump into the list, you need to understand something important. A high-yield savings account, often called HYSA, is just a normal savings account, but with a much higher interest rate. Traditional banks like big brick and mortar institutions often pay as low as 0.01%. That means if you had $10,000, you would earn just $1 in a year. Yes, $1. But high-yield savings accounts can pay anywhere from 4% to over 5% depending on the market. That means the same $10,000 could earn you $400 to $500 per year without doing anything. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all high-yield savings accounts are equal. Some are easy to use, some have better apps, some have faster transfers, and some are safer for beginners. So let's break down the best options one by one. We start with number 1, Ally Bank. Ally Bank is one of the most popular online banks in the United States, and for good reason. It offers a strong high-yield savings account with competitive interest rates that often sit near the top of the market. But here's the real advantage. It is extremely beginner-friendly. Imagine someone like Jake, a college student who just started working part-time. He wants a safe place to store his emergency fund. Ally makes it easy for him. There are no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and a clean mobile app that shows everything clearly. But here's the problem. Because Ally is so popular, sometimes their rates are not the absolute highest compared to newer fintech banks. Still, the reliability makes up for it. Now, let's move to number 2, Marcus by Goldman Sachs. This one is backed by Goldman Sachs, one of the biggest financial institutions in the world. That already gives it a trust advantage. Marcus is known for offering consistently high interest rates with no fees and no minimum deposit. Here's where it gets interesting. Marcus also has a very simple design. No confusing menus. No unnecessary features. Just savings, growth, and clarity. Let's say someone like Alex wants to save for a house down payment. He doesn't want distractions. He just wants his money to grow safely. Marcus fits perfectly for that mindset. But there is one limitation. Marcus does not offer a full checking account or physical branch access. It is strictly savings focused. So if you want an all-in-one banking solution, this might not be enough. Now let's talk about number 3, Discover Online Savings. You probably know Discover from credit cards, but their online savings account is actually one of the strongest in the USA. It consistently offers high interest rates and has no monthly fees. Here's the interesting part. Discover also gives you 24/7 customer support, which is rare for online banks. So if John, a first-time saver, gets confused about transfers or deposits, he can actually talk to a real person anytime. But here's the catch. While Discover is strong in customer service, its mobile app is not as modern as some fintech competitors. It works well, but it is not flashy. Now let's move to number 4, Capital One 360 Performance Savings. Capital One is a hybrid bank. It has physical branches and a strong online platform. That makes it a great option for people who want both digital convenience and in-person support. The 360 Performance Savings account offers competitive rates with no fees and no minimum balance. It is very flexible. But here's where most people make a mistake. They assume all Capital One accounts are the same. They are not. The 360 Performance Savings is the one you want, not older savings products that may have lower rates. Now let's go deeper into number 5, Sophie Savings. Sophie is one of the most aggressive fintech companies in the USA. It often offers some of the highest interest rates in the entire market, especially when you set up direct deposit. Imagine someone like Emily, a young professional in New York. She wants her money to grow faster while also having access to investing and budgeting tools. Sophie combines all of that in one app. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sophie is not just a savings account. It is a full financial ecosystem. You can save, invest, borrow, and even build credit. But there is a trade-off. To get the highest interest rate, you often need to meet certain conditions like direct deposit. Without that, the rate may be lower. Now let's move to number 6, American Express High Yield Savings. Yes, American Express is not just credit cards. Their online savings account is actually one of the most trusted in the industry. It offers strong interest rates, zero fees, and very high security standards. This is ideal for someone like David, who just wants to park his emergency fund and forget about it. But here's the problem. There is no checking account integration, so you cannot easily use it for daily transactions. It is purely for savings. Now let's go to number 7, Wealthfront Cash Account. This one is slightly different. Wealthfront is technically a robo-advisor platform, but its cash account behaves like a high-yield savings account with extremely competitive rates. Here's where it gets interesting. Wealthfront often offers one of the highest yields available, because it spreads your cash across partner banks for HYSA insurance coverage. It also integrates with investing features. So if you are someone like Alex who wants both savings and long-term investing in one place, Wealthfront becomes very powerful. But there is one thing to understand. Wealthfront is more tech-driven. So beginners who want a simple bank feel might find it slightly advanced at first. Now let's quickly compare what actually matters when choosing a high-yield savings account. First, interest rate. This determines how fast your money grows. But here's the truth. The highest rate is not always the best choice if the platform is confusing or unreliable. Second, fees. A good HYSA should have zero monthly fees and zero hidden charges. If you see fees, walk away. Third, access. Some accounts give instant transfers, some take 1 to 3 days. If you need emergency access, this matters a lot. Fourth, ease of use. A clean mobile app can make saving money feel simple, instead of stressful. Now here is a mistake most people make. They chase the highest interest rate and ignore everything else. But the smartest savers focus on balance. They want good rates, but also safety and simplicity. So if you are a beginner, Ally or Discover might be perfect. If you want high rates and modern features, Sophie or Wealthfront might be better. If you want a trusted traditional brand, Capital One or American Express are solid choices. And if you want simplicity backed by a big institution, Marcus is a great option. Now let's talk strategy for a moment. Here's something most people never do. They keep all their money in one account. That is not always smart. A better approach is to separate your money. For example, Alex keeps his emergency fund in Ally, his short-term savings in Marcus, and his extra cash in Wealthfront for higher yield. This way, he maximizes returns while keeping flexibility. Now here's the key takeaway. A high-yield savings account is not about getting rich. It is about protecting your money and letting it grow safely. It is the foundation of financial stability. Before we end, let's quickly summarize what you learned. You saw the 7 best high-yield savings accounts in the USA for 2026. You learned that Ally is great for beginners. Marcus is simple and trusted. Discover has strong support. Capital One offers hybrid banking. Sophie gives high rates with extra features. American Express is extremely secure. And Wealthfront offers advanced cash growth options. If you choose even one of these accounts and move your savings today, you will already be ahead of most people who are still earning almost zero interest. And now, I want to hear from you. Which savings account are you using right now? Or which one are you thinking of trying? Share it in the comments. If this video helped you understand where to grow your money safely, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because in the next video, we are going to break down how to build a complete emergency fund strategy that actually works in real life.